Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Chevy Cruze LTZ, stock number Z7719X. 75,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ice blue metallic in color. Cruze is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, again only 75,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Fuel efficient as well. EPA average 24 miles to the gallon and the city average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 65 to 70% of tire tread left. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.